bell peppers. I love bell peppers. Today we are doing another tour of the world, this time in the little country of Italy. So for this week, I will be trying out creamy basil pesto chicken. This is not a slow cooker recipe this time. I'll be doing it in a pan and or skillet, depending on how much room I have. So you can see we've got a nice wide variety of things to work with today. For our side dish, I will be doing a caprese pasta salad, which would work good to pair with this one. We have basically our spider egg sack fresh mozzarella. But yeah, so before I forget, the total for all this for our main course is $34.81. So not too bad to get yourself some basil pesto chicken. With that being said, we need to cut up our vegetables and get started. So let's go ahead and onion. So this recipe calls for 3 bell peppers, 1 red, a half a yellow, and a half a green. That's pretty wasteful, so I just got 1 red and 1 yellow, and I'll use all of both of them, so whatever. At this point, we just need to cook the chicken, and then we can put the sauce together. So let me get out. So we will actually be using the oil from the sun-dried tomatoes to cook the chicken. We'll be using a little bit of that, and then we just kind of cook them on each side for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we set them aside to make the sauce. So with all of our chicken patties done, we are now ready to make the sauce. I'll start by grilling all the vegetables, so let's go ahead and go back to our bowl vision. So with the sauce added, we're supposed to simmer it for about 2 to 3 minutes. We're also supposed to add the chicken in after we cut it into strips, but I want to keep the chicken as whole pieces, so I'm not going to do that part. But once this is done, then we just put our toppings on and serve it. So I'll finish this up, and I will see you in a bit. And there you have it. 2 Italian dishes ready to go. Nom nom nom. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this, and let me know if you change up anything and it works out for you. So thanks for watching. Well, this one was pretty good. The only issue I came across was the bell peppers didn't really want to grill as easily, so maybe if you threw them in a bit earlier and cooked everything a bit longer, that way you don't like burn the tomatoes while not completely cooking the bell peppers. But I guess that's just whatever preference you have. Other than that, gotta be careful grilling the chicken in the pan too, because when the edges get a little too brown, it becomes hard to cut, I found out. But other than that, this one was really well, so feel free to try it out.